Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you on how to permanently delete your account on Cash App. So since the app is not yet available in our country, still I'll be teaching you step by step. So if you have the app already, just open your Cash App application on your device. And then step 1, just have to tap on the account icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. This one. Yeah, that's right. And then a second, scroll down and select support option. Okay, this one here. Then after that, under browse, tap something else. Okay, this option here, the one with the rectangle, red rectangle. And then after that, you can now select edit account settings. Okay. And then from that, now tap on close your Cash App account. Okay, this one. And then finally, at the bottom of the screen, you can now see the confirm. All you have to do now is to tap on it. And here, this is a note or a warning that closing your Cash App account will your delete everything that you have. So once you receive a confirmation that your Cash App account has been closed, you can safely delete the app from your phone. So that's it. That's how you can permanently delete your account on Cash App. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorial in the future. Bye.